What if I told you your tired plants aren't actually dying? They're just waiting for the right boost. If your tomatoes, cucumbers, or other vegetables look weak, slow, or pale, this simple mix can gently bring them back to life. Take 1 spoon of whole rice, no need to grind it. As you pour the rice into water and start mixing, you'll notice a cloudy, slightly sticky release. That's the natural starch coming out. This starch feeds beneficial soil microbes and helps improve soil energy, supporting stronger and healthier roots. Now add 1 spoon of yeast. Yeast is full of living microorganisms that activate the soil, helping plants absorb nutrients faster and grow more actively. Mix everything into 1 liter of water. Stir well and let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours. This resting time allows the yeast to activate while the rice continues releasing its nutrients into the solution. Now, strain the liquid and pour it directly into the soil around your plants. Focus on the roots, not the leaves. You can also place the soaked rice around the base as a slow-release boost. Use this once every 10 to 15 days. Soon you'll notice greener leaves, stronger stems, and steady new growth. Sometimes the simplest natural mix is exactly what your plants need to come alive again.